Welcome to Class 8, Mathematics Chapter Power Play. Today we will learn how to write the numerical value of powers. Can you turn something like this into an actual number? By the end of this video, you will crack all 6 parts, even the trickiest ones with negative bases. We break down questions step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Before we dive in, let us remember what powers really mean. When we write n to the power a, we are multiplying n by itself a times. So 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25, and 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Our strategy for every part today: expand each power, check the sign especially for negatives, compute step by step, then multiply. Simple. Here is part 1, 2 times 10 cubed. Here is the expression. First, let us expand 10 cubed. That is 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 gives us 1000. Now just multiply. 2 times 1000 equals 2000. Clean and simple. Now we look at part 2, 7 squared times 2 cubed. 2 powers to deal with, no problem. 7 squared means 7 times 7, which is 49. And 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Now just multiply. 49 times 8. 49 times 8 is 392. Done. Now, part 3. 3 times 4 to the power 4. Let us expand 4 to the 4th. That is 4 fourths multiplied together. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 times 4 once more gives 256. Now 3 times 256, that is 768. The part 4 introduces negative bases. Here is the expression. But first, a crucial rule: negative times negative equals positive. Negative 3 squared means negative 3 times negative 3. Since both are negative, the result is positive 9. Same story with negative 5 squared. Negative 5 times negative 5 equals positive 25. So 9 times 25 equals 225. Remember, an even power of a negative number always gives a positive result. The part 5, 3 squared times 10 to the power 4. You know the drill. 3 squared is 9. And 10 to the 4th, that is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10,000. 9 times 10,000 equals 90,000. Easy. And the part 6, the big one. Here is the expression. Negative 2 to the power 5 times negative 10 to the power 6. Let us tackle negative 2 to the 5th first. Expanding, negative 2, 5 times. Count the negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 negatives, that is an odd number. So the result will be negative. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 2 is 16. 16 times negative 2 is negative 32. So negative 2 to the 5th equals negative 32. We found negative 2 to the 5th is negative 32. Now let us tackle negative 10 to the 6th. Expanding, negative 10 6 times. Count the negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 negatives, an even number, so the result will be positive. Negative 10 squared is 100. Negative 10 to the 4th is 10,000. And negative 10 to the 6th is 1 million. So negative 10 to the 6th equals 1 million. Finally, negative 32 times 1 million equals negative 32 million. Here are all 6 answers. Part 1, 2000. Part 2, 392. Part 3, the correct answer is 768. Similarly, for the part 4, the correct answer is 225. Part 5, the correct answer is 90,000. And finally, the correct answer for the part 6 is negative 32 million. Notice the pattern. Every single time we followed the same steps: expand each power, check the sign especially for negative bases, and compute step by step. Even powers of negatives give positives, odd powers give negatives. That is your toolkit. Powers may look intimidating at first, but once you expand them, they are just multiplication. And you have just proven you can handle even the trickiest ones with negative bases. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.